When I first stepped into CT University, I thought I was here to earn a degree. But soon I realized I was here to discover myself. The campus felt vast, the faces unfamiliar, and yes, I was nervous, but I wasn't alone. Everyone around me was beginning their own journey, and somewhere along the way, our paths crossed, and we found each other. At CT, professors were never just teachers, they became mentors, guides who believed in me even before I believed in myself. I stumbled, I failed, but every setback taught me that failure isn't the end, it's simply a part of growth. Because CT University isn't only about books, lectures, or labs. It's about those quiet moments of reflection when you realize you're becoming someone you never imagined you could be. Somewhere between my first orientation and my final project, I changed. I became curious, confident, and true to myself. CT didn't just shape my career, it shaped me. CT University is not just a place to study, it's a place to belong, to grow, and to truly live.